If your mayonnaise is split, it's going to look a bit like this with the oil leaching out, a little curdled. And there's an easy fix. You don't have to throw it away. You take another egg yolk and instead of adding oil this time, we're going to slowly add this back in while blitzing. And no promises, but usually it re-emulsifies. Let's see how we go. So far, so good. There we go. Beautiful and creamy. The protein in that egg yolk has re-emulsified the fat, brought it all together. Now we just have an extra rich mayonnaise with one more egg yolk in it. Happy mayonnaise making.